Hey everyone, it's MKBHD here, and let's talk about Meta's brand new goggle. We've been hearing whispers about this one for a while, and trust me, the hype is real. This isn't just another iteration, it's a whole new era of extended reality. We're talking next level immersion, guys. Imagine a world where the digital and physical blend seamlessly. That's the promise of the Meta goggle. Meta has always been at the forefront of virtual and augmented reality. With the Meta goggle, they're taking a bold step into the future. From the sleek design to the mind-blowing features, this is tech that's pushing boundaries. We're talking about a device that has the potential to change the way we work, play, and connect with the world around us. So, let's break down what makes the Meta goggle so special. First up, the display. We're talking ultra-high resolution here, folks. Crisp details, vibrant colors. It's like stepping right into another world. And the field of view? Expanded to a point where you're truly immersed in the experience. But it's not just about the visuals. The Meta goggle also boasts advanced spatial audio. You'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action. And let's not forget the hand tracking. The goggle ditches the controllers for intuitive, natural hand movements. It's like reaching out and touching the digital world. Now I know what you're thinking. How does the Meta goggle stack up against the competition? Well, let me tell you, it's in a league of its own. Compared to other XR devices out there, the Meta goggle offers a level of fidelity and responsiveness that's unmatched. Whether it's the fluidity of the tracking or the intuitiveness of the controls, Meta has clearly raised the bar. But it's not just about outperforming the competition. Meta has also gone above and beyond with content. From immersive games to next-generation productivity tools, there's something for everyone on the Meta goggle. Section 4. Real people, real experiences. The Meta goggle effect. I had the chance to let some lucky subscribers try out the Meta goggle, and their reactions were priceless. One user, a gamer, said it was like stepping into my favorite game. Another user, an artist, was blown away by the creative possibilities, saying, "It's like painting in 3 dimensions." The Meta goggle isn't just a device, it's a gateway to new experiences. From exploring exotic destinations in VR to collaborating with colleagues in a shared virtual workspace, the possibilities are endless. Section 5. Meta goggle reshaping reality as we know it. So, there you have it, guys. The Meta goggle isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution in extended reality. It's about blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds, creating experiences that were once the stuff of science fiction. Meta has truly outdone themselves with this one. This is a device that has the potential to change the way we live, work, and play. And I, for one, am incredibly excited to see where this technology takes us. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. Peace out.